Master the may in conditional sentences. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our video series on mastering English conditionals. Today, we'll be focusing on conditional sentences with modal verbs, particularly on the modal verb, may. Understanding how to use may in conditional sentences will help you express a wide range of meanings and enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Before we dive into using may in conditional sentences, it's important to understand what may is. May is a modal verb used to express possibility, permission, or a wish. For example, possibility, it may rain later. Permission, you may go now. Wish, may you have a blessed day. Remember, modal verbs always accompany another verb. Now, let's discuss how we use may in conditional sentences. Conditional sentences often include two clauses: a condition clause, the if clause, and a result clause. The modal verb, may, is usually used in the result clause to express a possible outcome if the condition is met. Here are a few examples. If it gets any hotter, we may need to buy an air conditioner. If you study hard, you may pass the exam. In these examples, may expresses the possible outcome of the condition mentioned in the if clause. Sometimes, may is used in combination with other modals to express varying degrees of certainty, permission, or potential. Here's an example. If we hurry, we may be able to catch the bus. In this sentence, may be able to indicates a possibility which is dependent on the condition of hurrying. And that wraps up our lesson on using may in conditional sentences. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to use this modal verb in your English conversations and writings. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. Try creating your own conditional sentences using may. And as always, happy learning. See you in our next video.